Add ghee or butter and give whole. Add crushed cardamom, clove and cinnamon. Now add bay leaf. Add green chili. Stir it. Fry it. Now add rice in it. Any scented rice, wash it nicely and reduce all the water. Now stir it. After frying rice, add fried carrot. Cook it. Add oil fried cauliflower. Fry it. Now add dry fruit, raisin and kaju. Stir it. Cook it in low flame. Now add salt and sugar according to your taste. Fried all the rice and veggies. Now add hot water in it. Not give so much water. Rice and water equal part. Stir it. Now cover it with the lid for a while. Open the lid. Now cook it for a while. Now ready your fried rice. Serve with chicken and salad.